In the bustling city of Mecca, long ago, lived a strong and brave young man named Umar. He was known for his courage and his powerful presence. One day, something extraordinary happened. Umar heard the beautiful words of Islam and, after much thought, decided to embrace this new path. His conversion was a moment of great joy and strength for the early Muslims. With the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and other companions, Umar played a vital role in establishing the first Muslim community in Medina. He was always there to offer wise advice and brave protection. After the Prophet's passing, Umar was chosen to lead the Muslim nation as the second Caliph. He accepted this great responsibility with humility and a strong sense of justice. Umar was a brilliant leader. He established many important systems, like a fair treasury and a justice system, to ensure everyone was treated equally and cared for. He was known for his simplicity and humility. Even as a ruler, Umar often dressed simply and walked among his people, listening to their needs. Umar was also a wise judge. He was famous for solving problems fairly and with great wisdom, always seeking the truth to help people. Under his leadership, the Muslim empire grew vast, but Umar always ensured that justice and compassion remained at its core. Even late at night, Umar would often walk through the streets, checking on his people, making sure no one was hungry or in need. He truly was a shepherd for his community. Umar was not only a leader, but also a teacher. He encouraged everyone to seek knowledge and to understand the beautiful teachings of Islam. Umar was not only a leader, but also a teacher. He encouraged everyone to seek knowledge and to understand the beautiful teachings of Islam. He cared deeply for the welfare of all, even ensuring that distant lands under his rule received proper governance and care, dispatching trustworthy leaders to uphold justice everywhere. One famous story tells of Umar discovering a woman and her children going hungry. He personally carried sacks of flour and provisions to them, showing his immense compassion. He instituted the Islamic calendar, a very important event that helped Muslims track time and organize their religious duties, starting from the Hijrah. He instituted the Islamic calendar, a very important event that helped Muslims track time and organize their religious duties, starting from the Hijrah. He was known for his firm adherence to principles and his decisive leadership, always acting with the best interests of the community at heart. Under his caliphate, grand mosques were built, serving not just as places of worship, but also as centers of learning and community gathering. He always sought counsel from his companions, believing in collaboration and collective decision-making for the good of all.